Hi everybody, it's your teacher Bilal Ahmed, and this is the today's summary of science class. Today in science, as you know, we started 1.1 habitats of animals, people, and plants, right? So you guys need to open page 4 and 5 in your science learner book. Right, so here is your page number 4 and 5. So as you know, this is the topic habitats, and this is the page 4 and 5 where you guys learn about the habitats of different animals and plants, right? Before we start this, just let's review the living and non-living things. As you know, living things grow, they can move, and they can move from one place to other places, and they take breed and reproduce. Okay, they have babies. So living things need habitats. So on page 4, we learned about animals and their habitats. So all environments have different habitats, right? So habitats are not same, they are different, right? So let's look at this picture, right? So as you guys can see, there are 4 animals. The first one we have fox, second is lion, monkey, and dolphin. And here are 4 different environments. Okay, so you have to choose which environment is better place, okay, for these animals, right? So let's start with the first one, fox. Choose the habitat for the fox. Okay, find which habitat is better for fox, where fox can find everything like water and food. It can move because fox can move from one place to another places, right? So choose which habitat is better for fox. Here is savanna, desert, forest, sea, and jungle. So fox can live in the forest, but fox cannot live in under the water in the sea, right? And fox can live in the jungle, right? Because fox have food to eat and they can move and they can go here. How about the lion? Lion is lion can live in savanna, right? And choose the unit for lion. Okay, lion also live in forest and jungle, but lion cannot live under the water. How about the monkey? Monkey environment where monkey can live in the forest, in the jungle. Okay, so in this jungle and forest, monkey has food to eat, and they can move, right? And they have everything here. So this is the good habitat for the monkey, forest and jungle. How about the dolphin? The dolphin habitat is the sea. Okay, so this is the sea. Sea is better environment for dolphin. So here are 4 animals and 4 different habitats. So let's move on to the next slide. And here are different animals here, and here are different habitats. Choose which animal will can move, okay, and which habitat is perfect for these animals. And see the bear. Start with the bear. The bear cannot live in the lake. Okay, bear habitat is the forest, right? Here bear can find a shelter, okay, food, water. Bear have everything here. So this is the habitat for bear. How about the zebra? Zebra can live in the grassland. So grassland is the environment for zebra. Alligator cannot live in the grassland or cave. Alligator will need the lake, right? So in the lake, it can find everything, okay, right? Or marshes. How about the elephant? Elephant live in the forest. And how about the hippo? Hippo can live in the forest, right? So here are different environments. Alligator will need a shelter like cave. So here are some habitats and here are animals. So each animal has different local environment, right? So they cannot live in all places. So they can live where they can find a water, food, shelter, home, where they can feel safe, right? So here is the topic you have to read. Today we discussed about local environment. So look at these animals around the tree. So this is the local environment for each animal. Look at these habitats, okay? So guys, all living things, they cannot move. Like in this picture, this is this environment for the tree. This is the good habitat for the tree, but tree cannot move and change the place. Tree cannot find the other habitat because it cannot move, okay? But some living things like dog, cat, as you guys can see in the picture, like mouse, butterfly, and spider, they are living things, but they can move and they can change the habitat, right? Whenever they think they don't have water here, not have enough food, so they can change the habitat, right? So tree cannot move, but spider, butterfly, they can move, okay? They can move and change the habitat, right? So you have to read well and find out which animal can move and which habitat is good for each animal. Look at the bird, they can move, right? They can change the home, the habitat. Look at this frog, guys. This is an activity we did during the class. A habitat for a frog is water, right? A habitat of frog is the water, wet places. Frog cannot live in dry places, such as this picture, right? So frog need wet and stream or pond, okay? They can survive. They have enough water to survive. Imagine you are a frog. What would you want to find in your habitat? Okay, think. If you are a frog, what habitat will you need? So think about, this is an activity we did during the class. So this is the today's topic. Thank you so much guys for watching. Goodbye.